we are going to learn how to use a number line when adding. So we have 39 plus 24. I am going to decompose this smaller number into 20 and 4. My number line is going to start with my larger number. Now I'm going to make jumps according to my decomposition of this number. So this first one, I'm going to make a jump of 20. 39 plus 20 will give us 59. Now I'm going to use this 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. $59, $60, $61, $62, $63. Therefore, 39 plus 24 is 63. Let me show you another way to do this. Let's say we have 39 plus 26. I can decompose this into 3 different ways. Remember, we always want to decompose the smaller number. I can do 1, 20, and 5. I'm going to make my number line, and because we decomposed 26, I'm going to put 39, the larger number, on the number line. I'm going to make one jump of 1, which then I land on 40. I've used the 1. Now I'm going to make a jump of 20 plus 20. 40 plus 20 gives me 60. I've used the 20. Now I'm going to use the 5. I'm going to make a jump of 5, which puts me at 65. Therefore, 39 plus 26 is 65.